At bago tayo mag-start guys, so kung naghahanap kayo guys mga handheld console kagaya po ng mga Switch OLED, Switch 2, Steam Deck, ROG Ally X, available po yan guys ito sa ating shop, Nerbeats Gaming Shop. So pwede kayo mag-walk-in dito guys sa ating shop, o for example nasa province kayo, pwede rin po via LBC. Kapag nasa kayo guys, ibang bansa, pwede rin po via DHL. So PM na lang kayo guys sa ating Facebook page para sa inyong mga inquiries. So tara, gawin na natin. Okay guys, so try po natin yung ating lossless scaling sa ibang game. For example, sa mga non-Steam game. So try natin guys sa Fight Night. So ito guys, yung without lossless, meron tayong 30 FPS. So try natin guys. Okay, so ito guys, without lossless scaling. Okay, sa guys, sa without lossless scaling, naka naman tayo, 30 FPS, stable naman siya. So sa round 2 guys, try natin yung lossless. Inabot tayo. So try natin guys, lagyan natin ng lossless, lang, mga 2 times lang. Ayan guys, 2 times, meron na po tayong nagdoble na yung ating FPS from 30. Meron na tayong 60 FPS. So dito guys, 60 FPS, parehas lang naman siya ng smoothness sa 30, pero siya, kumbaga parang naging mas fluid yung galaw. Tsaka naka ako guys naka 1080p ako dito sa resolution natin sa PS3 emulator natin. Kasi pag binuksan nyo to guys, yung PS3, naka lang to, naka 720 lang yung default niya. So ginawa ko na siyang 1080. So kayang-kaya naman kahit 1080p resolution, tapos ayan, 60 FPS. Nakabot tayo.
Find a way to survive. 90 seconds to go here in this round. Good defense upstairs to stay away from that offensive assault. Huge left hand from Pacquiao. Some more head movement. Good 1-2 by Miguel Cotto. A knifing left hand by Manny Pacquiao. Hits him in the mug with the right. Accurate with the straight left. Scored well up top. Committing now to the left hand. Good straight shot. And now he's targeting upstairs. Carries that punch away. Manny Pacquiao's combination punching is working well here.
So ayan guys, working naman siya kahit sa mga non-steam game yung ating lossless. So try ulit natin guys, ibalik sa ano, without. Ayan, 30 FPS.
Round number 4 underway. A chance to look at Teddy's scorecard. Pacquiao's up 2 rounds to 1. Teddy has
Ayun, so talagang masismooth talaga guys yung may ano.
he's been a little more active.
Etong without, smooth naman. Pero mas fluid talaga yung ano, with lossless. Balik natin.
Do you see any way in which he can
Ayan guys, so talagang ano naman siya, working naman siya in lossless.
perfect way to fight and say, hey, I heard him.
Ay po, China.
And he goes down again. Will he get up from it?
Sa pool si Pacquiao. Wala na to, bagsak na to. So ayun guys, working naman siya guys sa ating ano, PS3 emulator, no. Lossless scaling 2 times, tapos ayun, mabot tayo ng 60 FPS na nakalock. So ayun guys, pwede nyo i-try guys sa mga ano nyo, sa mga handheld nyo kung wala pa kayong idea sa lossless. Meron po tayong tutorial dyan guys, check nyo lang. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.